Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix. You can use the TV's remote control to control external devices that are connected to the TV by an HDMI cable and that support Anynet plus HDMI-CEC. Note, you can only set up and operate Anynet plus HDMI-CEC with the remote control. From the home screen, press left on the remote. Navigate to and select Settings. Select all settings. Navigate to and select General and Privacy. Select External Device Manager. Set Anynet plus HDMI-CEC to on. Connect an HDMI-CEC compliant device to the TV. Turn on the connected external device. The device is automatically connected to the TV. After the connection process is finished, you can access the menu of the connected device using your TV remote and control the device. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.